Hi, hello friends, welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. In previous video, we'll discuss the properties of a determinant. From today, we will go to problems in that chapter. Next, we will go to solved problems 3.4.7 solved problems. In that first problem, the problem is find the determinant of A. Matrix A is 1 minus 1 minus 3 1. Here we given 2 by 2 matrix. We have to given 2 by 2 matrix. Then we have to find the determinant of that matrix. For that solution, first write down the given matrix. Given matrix is A equal to, the matrix is 1 minus 1 minus 3 1. This is a given matrix. Then we have to find the determinant of this matrix. Then determinant of A is denoted by det A, that is equal to det 1 minus 1 minus 3 1, that is equal to, we know determinant of det A B C D, AD minus BC, that means 1 into 1 minus of minus 3 into minus 1, that is equal to 1 minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, 3 into 1 3, that equal to minus 2. Therefore, determinant of A, det A equal to minus 2. This is the solution of first problem. Next we will go to second problem in the same solved problems. The next problem is second problem. Problem 2. Find the minors of minus 1 and 3 in the matrix. We have to given 3 by 3 matrix. The matrix is 2 minus 1 4, 0 minus 2 5, minus 3 1 3. This is a given matrix. Then in this problem we have to find the minors of minus 1 and 3. Already we know for finding minor of each element, for that we have to first identify the element where that is, and for finding minor we have to eliminate that row, the minor containing row and column. The remaining elements determinant value is the minor of that element. Then first write down the given matrix. Given matrix is equal to 2 minus 1 4, 0 minus 2 5, minus 3 1 3. This is a given 3 by 3 matrix. First minor of minus 1, that is equal to, for finding minor of minus 1, here is minus 1. Minor of minus 1 means we have to eliminate this row and this column. Then the remaining values determinant. Remaining elements are 0 5 minus 3 3, 0 5 minus 3 3. This determinant value is equal to minor of element minus 1, that is equal to 0 into 3 minus of minus 3 into 5, that is equal to 0 into 3 value 0, minus into minus plus 3 into 5 15, that is equal to 15. Minor of element minus 1 equal to 15. Next find out minor of element 3, that is equal to determinant where that is 3 is here. Then deleting this row and this column, then remaining elements are 2 minus 1 0 minus 2, that is equal to 2 into minus 2 minus of minus 1 into 0, that is equal to 2 into 2 4 minus 4, minus into minus plus 1 into 0 0, that equal to minus 4. Then minor of minus 1 value is 15. Minor of 3 value is minus 4. This is the solution of second problem. Next we will go to third problem in the same solved problems. Then problem number 3. The problem is find the cofactors of the elements 2, minus 5 in the matrix minus 1, 0, 5, 1, 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 5, 3. This is also a 3 by 3 matrix. In this, we have to find the cofactors of the elements. Elements are 2, minus 5. Here 2 is this and minus 5 is this. We have to find the cofactors of 2 and cofactors of minus 5. Then solution. First given matrix is equal to minus 1, 0, 5, 1, 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 5, 3. This is a given matrix. In that, we have to find the cofactors of elements 2 and 5. First, we have to find the cofactor of element 2. Cofactor of 2. Element 2. Element 2 का cofactor. Cofactor formula is minus 1 whole power I plus j into minor of 2. For that, minus 1 whole power I plus j means this element presented row and column number. Then in 2 number we have to present in second row, second column. That means I value 2, j value also 2 into determinant the minor value. We have to delete this row and this column and this row. Then the remaining value is minus 1, 5, minus 4, 3. Then that is equal to minus 1 whole power 4 into minus 1 into 3, minus 3, minus 4 into 5, minus 4 into 5, 20, minus into minus plus 20. That is equal to minus 1 whole power 4 value 1, 1 into 20 minus 3, 17. That is equal to 17. The cofactor of element 2 is 17. Next we have to find the cofactor of element minus 5. That is cofactor of minus 5 is equal to minus 1 whole power I plus j. Minus 5 present in third row, second column. That means 3 plus 2. Then determinant of, we have to eliminate this row and this column. The remaining values are minus 1, 5, 1, minus 2. Then that is equal to minus 1 whole power 5, 3 plus 2 value 5 into minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 into 5, 5. That is equal to minus 1 whole power 5 value minus 1 into 2 minus 5 value minus 3. That is equal to minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3. This is the cofactor of an element minus 5. We have to find any element cofactor value. The formula is minus 1 whole power I plus j into minor of the element. In that, this is the procedure of the finding cofactor. In second problem is the procedure of the finding minors of an element. Next we will go to fourth problem in the same solved problems. Next, problem number 4. The problem is find the determinant of the matrix. The matrix is 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, minus 4, minus 2, 5. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. We have to find determinant of the matrix. For that, solution, first write down the given matrix. Given matrix is, that is A. We have to assume that A. The matrix A is 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, minus 4, minus 2, 5. This is a given matrix. Then we have to find the determinant. Determinant of A. Determinant of A is det A is equal to, we have to know the determinant of A is the sum of the products of the first row elements with their cofactors. Determinant of A is equal to det A, that is equal to, first we have to use the first row 1, first element is 1 into this element cofactor value, that is 1 into cofactor is -1 whole power first element, first row, first column, that means 1 plus 1 into determinant 0, 4, -2, 5. This is the first. Next, minus of -1 into -1 whole power first row, second column, 1 plus 2. Determinant, this row, this column will be deleted, 3, 4, -4, 5. Plus 2 into -1 whole power first row, third column. Determinant 3, 0, -4, -2. That is equal to 1 into -1 whole power 2 into 0 into 5, 0, minus 2 into 4, 8, minus into minus plus 8, minus 1 into -1 whole cube into 3 into 5, 15, minus into minus plus 4 fours are 16, plus 2 into -1 whole power 4 into 3 into -2, -6, minus into minus plus 4 into 0, 0. That is equal to 1 into -1 whole square value 1, 1 into 8, 8, -1 into -1 whole power 1 whole cube value -1 into 15 plus 16, 31, plus 2 into -1 whole power 4 value 1, 1 into -6, that is equal to 1 into 8, 8, minus into minus plus 31 minus 12, that is equal to 27. 27. This is the det A value. This is det A value. In direct method, determinant A is evaluated in this process. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.